Let's be real now. We have all been there as content creators where you just keep forgetting your lines in your script and you're just frustrated until teleprompters were invented. But the issue is these teleprompters cost a lot of money, which most content creators, especially at the beginning stage, cannot afford. And that's where CapCut teleprompter comes in, and it's totally free. Now here's how to use it. Simply download CapCut if you haven't downloaded it yet, which would be weird because literally everyone has it. But anyways, download CapCut and then click on it, and then click on this expand. Down here you would see teleprompter. Then you can modify the script to whatever you want. You can use this tool here to move it to wherever you want your scripts to be on the screen. You can click here to edit your text, just simply deleting it. Let me delete it. I already have a script I want, so I will just copy it. I'll just paste it here. Paste, yeah, that's my script, and done. Here you can edit the speed of the script, how it's moving on your screen. If you want it to go faster, or like, it depends on how you're talking. If you're talking slowly, obviously you want it slow, and if you want to talk fast, you would move it to fast. And then you can also change your font size to big or small, depending on what you want it to be. And then you can change your text color to whatever you want. I'll make it yellow. Yellow is really sharp, so I can see what I'm doing. You can also make a video of 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. But if your video is longer, you just simply click on one shot. And now the video can be as long as you want it to be. To the back, you can simply just cancel the teleprompter and then click here to rotate your camera and then go back to your teleprompter. You can also do timer here. You can add your filter if you want. I don't want a filter, so I'm just going to ignore it. And then here you can, it's just basically like TikTok. You can add speed or whatever you want. You can add duration here. I don't need that. Yeah, so now let's go back to the teleprompter. And to start, you can click on the record button and be reading out your lines while filming. So I have a second channel that is more about the Hello guys, so I have a second channel that is more about the crazy things I am up to in the Kingdom of the Netherlands as a foreigner. So go check it out and I'll see you there. As you can see, there was no script on it, so have no fear, the text would not be on the video. You know, growing up, I thought all the newscasters had the lines in their head, and I was like, wow, newscasters have to be like the most intelligent people in the world, until I realized they were actually reading from big teleprompters. But anyways, I have more videos on simple ways to do complicated editing and AI tools. Look, life does not have to be that hard, especially as content creators. There is so much we already have to do, so anything to make it easier for you, take it, okay? So click on this playlist if you're interested in it. Give me a big fat thumbs up and click on the subscribe button, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.